Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the mode tool. What it does is characterize the relative percentages of different phases in your photo. So first thing is we select how many phases we want to divide the rock into. So here in this photo, I'd like to get the relative percentages of the three main minerals I see. So at the bottom here, it's a 2, and then I can tap 3. And then we toggle the switch on that top left and turn the overlay on. You can see that it's divided the picture into these 3 phases and assigned them colors pink, black, and white. If I turn my overlay off on the top left there, I can see that the white color corresponds to the white mineral, black corresponds to that black mineral, and then pink corresponds to that gray matrix. And then the relative percentages of each phase are shown in the top right corner. So 15.8% of the rock is made up of the dark mineral, 17.2% is that white mineral, and 67% is the gray matrix. And as always, you can tap the photo button in the top right to take a screenshot. And that's the mode tool. Thank you.